G'day folks, and welcome to the next video, and welcome to the new shed. This video, it's only a quick one. It's more of a vlog style, a bit light-hearted, nothing educational, but just wanted to say g'day, and we'll get back into this thing shortly. Cheers. Well, good morning. As you can see, I'm driving. I have a car trailer on the back. I'm heading to a small town on the border of Queensland and New South Wales called Goondiwindi. There I'm meeting up with one of my workmates who has been kind enough to do a deal with me where I end up with not only an engine and transmission for the XB, but well, let's just say the basis for the next project, which I'm gonna keep a bit tight-lipped for now. More will be revealed as time goes on. So here we go. The old Condamine Hotel. Quite a few good nights at this place. Anyway, we're turning right up there. While we're here on the side of the road waiting for these roadworks, 190 kilometers or so to go, I'll fill in the time with a useless trivia fact. As you know, I now live in a small rural town called Chinchilla, which is about 320 or so k's out of Brisbane, where I used to live. And from this town, there was a dude called George Miller, who wrote and directed the original Mad Max movies. And in those movies, there was a certain vehicle that I happened to fall in love with as a kid. No prizes to guess what vehicle that was. Who loves a good coincidence in the morning? Oh, and he also directed that Happy Feet movie with the penguins. I haven't seen it. I've just pulled over in this little town called The Gums because I've spotted a endangered species here in Australia, and I thought I'd show it to you. When was the last time you seen one of these? Just had to pull over again. There was a wide vehicle ahead, car coming with full police escort. Things you don't see every day in Australia. Well, suburban Australia. Holy sh... Only a small bucket. One of the things you gotta love about Australia is the funny names that some of the towns have around here. Righto, there's the engine. Transmission somewhere behind it. I'm not going to reveal what it is, but it's a Ford and it's from the 70s. Alright, we're all loaded up, ready to head back to Chinchilla. I didn't get any footage of us loading it onto the trailer, just for privacy reasons. So yeah, let's get back with the car intact. Alright, looks like we made it back into Chinchilla without any dramas. I think the key to that is when you tie down a load, you have to say the magic words. That ain't going anywhere. So thanks for coming along for the ride. I know it's a bit more of a vlog style of video. This one, nothing really educational. but we'll see how we go. Maybe do a bit of a reveal for the next one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Well, I might as well end the video with a quick look inside the new shed and a look at the XB, just to serve as a reminder and motivation to get back into it. An old Turbo 400 there that I'm pulling down. I might do a video on that if anyone's interested. Same with this old VTR. Well, that'll do it for this video. Thank you very much.